how can we add different material properties to your 3D objects in Tinkercad. You will have to move from this basic design mode into the SimLab, the falling apple icon. Alright, now select the object, click on it, and you will see two properties at the top, color of it and the material. Take a look. By default, all objects are made from plastic, but we can change that. We can make it concrete, and now the properties of this object will change. We got like friction, density, mass. So as a concrete, it's almost 12 kilograms. If I change it to something like softwood, it's only 676 grams, so not even 1 kilo. All right, so this can have a huge impact on your simulation. I got multiple bouncy rubber balls. Let's change one from bouncy rubber to steel. All right, and now let's play the simulation. I'm going to click play button. Okay, as you can see, those objects will behave based on the Earth gravity and the different materials you gave them. So to adjust materials, you must move away from this design mode. We cannot see materials in design mode. Move it to SimLab, and then you will see the texture on it. Like this is made of wood, this is made of rubber. You will see a texture of the given material on it. All right, so let's change this guy that fall down before into concrete block. Let's check that now the bouncy rubber can make it fall again. Yeah, it's fall down but didn't slide out from the table. So we got already different result just by adjusting the material, the weight of different objects. All right, so that's a really nice addition in Tinkercad. So don't forget to always check what materials your objects are made of. You can control that in the SimLab simply by clicking on them and here in this box here. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.